I hate investments because it seems basically every company that gets investments, the quality of the product and how they treat their workers all decreased drastically. Like, investors only care about money. They don't have the same respect to the product they sell or the employees they hire as a normal founder slash CEO would. Also, a lot of the times, investors don't actually know about what they invest in and make stupid decisions at the company. Like, for example, Apple was a relatively rich company, I think, but then Steve Jobs got kicked out of his own company because of investors. And when Apple was run by investors only, Apple was like basically almost bankrupt because of bad decisions and marketing until Steve Jobs came back in 1997, I think, and he actually got them back on their feet with the iPod and iPhone and all that. Also, investing is pretty much glorified gambling with slightly less risk with experience. Like, investors don't actually contribute to the society for their money, like even a YouTuber contributes more than them. Like, if you invest in some stock and make money after 1 year, that's about the same as going to the casino. Like, it's risky and you didn't actually contribute anything to anyone for your winnings. You just put money in and hoped you got more money out at random. And if you say they help small companies, well, the problem is most companies don't need investments to succeed. If they just start small, like if you want to make a t-shirt company, then make one t-shirt in your house and sell it, and then use that money to buy material for more until you can afford a factory. Doing that is less risky, since if you got millions or billions in investments and blew it all, then you're pretty much forced to file for bankruptcy or sometimes even go to prison. Also, if it was just about helping small companies, then why does Apple or Amazon or any of these big companies allow you to invest in them? What does a big company need your money for that they couldn't get from sales? Also, a lot of people are mad at billionaires for not paying tax, but the reason why they avoid the tax is because they have all their money in stocks and they just sometimes give some to banks in order to get a loan with some money when they need to spend, since that can't be taxed. So if you're mad at these billionaires for paying no tax, you should hate investing in the stock market like me. Also, investments pretty much allow for companies and people to make fake money that doesn't actually exist, because they don't actually have all their money in their net worth. They can take out at any time in cash or gold. All their money is just people guessing on how much they can sell all their stocks for at once. Even though I don't like investing, if you're just an average poor or middle class person who has some small stocks here and there, I don't really care that much. Like, you aren't using the stocks to make fake money that doesn't actually exist, or evading taxes, and you aren't trying to control companies to make their products worse. I understand people need to make their bag in this economy or protect it from inflation. This is mostly just about rich investors. Thanks for watching this video. Please join my Discord or Matrix in the description. Goodbye.